What's up, y'all? It's Rob here from Square Wheels. I've got a very quick one for you today. So if you're anything like me, whenever you're working on your car, you like to have music playing. And that means that you've probably got the door open and the vehicle in either accessory mode or with the engine running. So I found that I got immediately annoyed because the door ajar alarm was going off nonstop. It never timed out, it just keeps on dinging and dinging and dinging anytime you open the door. So I've got a quick fix. I'll tell you how I solved it. Sit tight. So the door ajar switch is actually right here in the door jamb, and basically the way that it works is it's this little button here, and whenever the door is closed, it depresses the button and lets the car know that the door is closed, and when the door is open, it pops out and makes that dinging noise. So I checked on the forum to see if there was any kind of wiring back here that I could remove. Nobody really had any answers on it, so I just took a screwdriver to it basically and started pulling it out to see if I can get access to the wires that I could snip behind it. Curiously enough, when I removed this screw, the beeping stopped. So what that told me was that the screw actually completes the circuit, and when the screw is removed, the door ajar alarm is essentially disabled. All I had to do after that was add some 3M tape to make sure that that switch stays in place and put that screw in my glove compartment, and my door ajar alarm issue was resolved. So now whenever I've got the door open and the ignition on, there's no beeping, and if I ever want to restore it, I've got that screw in the glove compartment. I can just screw it back in and be back to stock. As always, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.